Okay, so this might be one of the quickest videos that I ever do for you, because the app we're going to review today is actually a Google Chrome add-on, and it's only got one use, but that use is extremely powerful. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how it works, and then we're going to give you some ideas for how it can help improve your productivity throughout the day. We're here and we're inside the browser. We're in Google Chrome. As I mentioned, this is a Google Chrome add-on. It's called AutoTextExpander. So we're going to talk about it right now. We're also going to Google it for you. AutoTextExpander. There we are. Top link. Here we go. We're in the Chrome Web Store. This is AutoTextExpander for Google Chrome. It's already been added up here. You can see it in the top right up there. All right. Now, what AutoTextExpander does for you is it allows you to create shortcuts. And I'll show you how those look. All right. But it allows you to create shortcuts for words, and then those words expand. That's essentially all it does. So we're going to write an email here. It says, "Hi there. When would be a good day for us to meet this week? Here is my calendar. Pick the day and the time that works for you. Thanks, John." Okay, so we've all written that email a few times, right? Because you're just trying to coordinate, trying to make sure you guys can get together and meet. But what you have to do every time you write this email is you have to put in a link to your calendar. Now, some of you might have a calendar, some of you might not. For those of you who don't, I use one called Schedule Once. There we go. Schedule Once is pretty cool. Essentially, it's just a link that you can share with people, and they can click the whatever time and place that, or for me, whatever date and time that they want to do a meeting. It's really great that way. But it's kind of annoying to have to keep going back to your calendar and copying the URL and then coming back to the email and putting it in. So what you can do because of AutoTextExpander is you can create a shortcut for your calendar link. And here's what mine looks like. It just says meet link like that. And you see what happened there? I typed in the word meet link, and then it expanded out into the URL of my meeting link. So meet link. See that? That's what AutoTextExpander does. It allows you to create shortcuts, and those shortcuts, when you type them, automatically become other words, automatically become expansions. So in this email, what I would do is I just highlight here, hit Control K, type in meet link, hit all right, done. There we go. Saves you tons of time, right? So that's one use for AutoTextExpander. We've shown you how it works. You type in your shortcut and it expands out. There's tons of other uses for AutoTextExpander too. For example, let's say you ever have to write a bug report. You just type in I've typed it in. So you got to sometimes be a little bit quick. Report, like that. There we go. Bug report, user, what they did, what they expect to happen, what actually happened, etc. This is a little template. Whenever you're thinking about doing a bug report, just create your template, put it in there, and that way you document, you know exactly what's happening, right? Or maybe you always have to give your coworkers' calendar out, right? They got to meet with somebody else. So what we're going to do, I typed that in wrong. Sorry. So we're going to type it in now, like that. There we go. Sorry, sometimes I can't always type the best when people are watching. There we go. We've got that calendar. See how that changed? You just type it in. Or maybe you want to link to your knowledge database, right? So no B. That's what mine is. Knowledge database. No B. K-N-O-B. There we go. Great links. It's an easy way to do it. Another link you might want to have. Maybe you have weekly webinars that you run. We run setup webinars. We call them the 101 webinars. We go 101 web. Blammo. See that? It allows anybody to sign up because I have it there. Or, I'm always working on implementation calls, and I always want to point people into the right direction for setting up their account. So I just have a handy dandy one that says 6 steps, brings me directly to there, right? So you can use these for links, but you can also use it for things like if you ever have to write out your own email, just type in e@. That becomes my email. That's my little shortcut, e@. See that? Or maybe you want to put in the date and time. You can do that too. Just type in D8. Sorry, D8. There we go. And it says it's July 8th. See that? Very easy. You can do that. You can use these links. You can use these shortcuts. You can use these templates, right? You can even take this email that we have here, turn it into a template. So we're going to hit copy. We're just going to click up here, hit options. And when we do, we can add or remove. So we're going to add one here. We're going to hit paste. Looks like paste didn't work. Let's copy it again. There we are. We'll go back in. We're going to paste that stuff in. Is it pasted a few times? Yeah, it looks like I did. There we go. Pasted too many. Oh well, so what we're going to do here is we're just going to say success cal save. And then when we come back to this email, we're going to delete that out. Look at that. See that? That's that easy. Okay. Anytime you have to do this, think about how many times this is going to save you from having to look for something, or how many times it's going to have to save you from having to type out the same thing you say over and over again. For example, whenever I leave a conversation, I always say, let me know if you need anything at all, ever. All right? There we go. Very, very easy. It's very, very powerful, and it's literally limited to only your imagination for what you can use it for. So that's AutoTextExpander, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments section down below. I would love to answer them. And you probably use a similar app. Let me know. Again, this one's free. Maybe yours might not be. Doesn't matter. It might have expanded features too. I'm always interested. Hope you're having a good day, and bye-bye now.